Alright, the first part, 7 squared times 7 cubed. To write it in expanded form means to write 7 times 7, and then 7 cubed is 7 times 7 times 7. So if you put it all together, you're going to have 7 to the 5th power. Same with over here. 2 squared is 2 times 2. 2 to the 5th is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. If you simplify it, it's 2 to the 7th. A is just A. A to the 4th is A. So together you have A to the 5th. There's 5 A's. So what is happening? When we multiply with like bases, they have to be like bases, which means these were both 7s, these were both 2s, these were both A's. Then we add the exponents. So we're going to multiply the coefficients, the numbers in front, but we're going to add the exponents. So this one's going to be, this one's going to be x to the 7th. This one's going to be m to the 42nd. This next one we're going to multiply the 3 and the 2. We're going to multiply the coefficients to get 6, but then we're going to add the exponents, so it's x to the 15th. Here we don't even need these parentheses. So it's x to the 4th times y squared times x squared. So I'm going to add the exponents, so it's x to the 6th, y to the 2nd. And then the last one, you don't need the parentheses, they're just separating, so it's negative 6 times b to the 7th times 9 times b to the 11th. So what you do is you multiply negative 6 and 9, and get negative 54, and then you add the exponents, b to the 18th. So when you're multiplying, you add the exponents and multiply the coefficients. Now, what happens if you have a power raised to a power? So see how these two little exponents are, one's on the inside of the parentheses, one's on the outside? This is 7 squared cubed, which is 7 squared times 7 squared. Times 7 squared. So we know that 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7, which is 7 to the 6th power. Same thing if we had a to the 3rd to the 4th power, we're going to write a to the 3rd 4 times. So you can use the previous rule and add these. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 12. So what is happening? Can you tell the pattern with 2 and a 3 makes a 6, a 3 and a 4 makes a 12. When we have parentheses, so think of a little power on the inside and a little power on the outside, we multiply the exponents. When you have a little power on the inside and a little power on the outside, you multiply the exponents. So this is going to be z to the 15th. Now keep this negative 3 in parentheses because it starts in parentheses, negative 3 to the 6th. This negative stays on the outside because it starts on the outside, m to the 12th. This is h to the 16th and then a to the 12th because 6 times 2 is 12. So the rules are, if you have x to the a times x to the b, you're going to add them, x to the a plus b. If you have x to the a with a little b on the outside of the parentheses, you're going to multiply the exponents.